Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Etsy to TikTok. So connecting Etsy to TikTok is mostly about linking your shop, promoting listing and running ads. Etsy does not allow direct integration with TikTok or full pixel tracking, so that's why we're going to use Zapier. So at first guys you will need to create an account on Zapier and then just go with create button right here on the top left corner of the website, and then just go with the zaps, the first option, click it just like so, and then here you are presented with two methods. You can go with the AI or manually. Okay, so if you want to use the AI, you can go with hi, can you please set Etsy as the trigger and TikTok as the action, right? Or you can go manually, so you will need to click on trigger right here and then just look for Etsy, and to choose it or visualize it you will need at first to have the premium plan subscription on Zapier. Okay, then just select it and choose the triggers and just sign in with Etsy. Then just go with action right here, look for TikTok, and after that you will need to go with TikTok lead generation and TikTok conversation or conversion. Okay, select it and then just choose the event right here and sign in with your account. Also guys, I do really advise you to add your Etsy shop link to TikTok profile, so just copy your shop on Etsy or link and then just open TikTok and go to profile, then edit profile and pass your Etsy shop link and website field, then just save changes, and this makes it easy for viewers to click from your TikTok profile to your Etsy shop. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.